Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Botany by Dr. Jaswinder Kaur. Today I am going to share information about a very important workshop that is going to be held for the students of life sciences. All the students of life sciences have many questions about the syllabus, pattern, strategies, timetable, etc. and etc. to clear the CSIR-UGC-NET-JRF lectureship exams. All your queries and problems regarding UGC NET CSIR JRF lectureship exam will be solved after attending this 5-day national workshop organized by an online platform Botany for You in association with Dhan P MP Deo Memorial Science College Nagpur, Bhavans College Andheri West Mumbai, Shri Shivaji Science College Amravati, and Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. This workshop will be held from 21st July 2020 to 25th July 2020 on the Telegram group of Botany for You. These are the patrons of this workshop, the conveners and the organizing committee. I will discuss about the scheduled program of this workshop. On 21st July 2020 at 3:30 p.m. the introductory remark will be given by Dr. Pitambar Humane, founder of Botany for You. At 4 p.m. first lecture will be by Dr. Nishikant Vase on Metabolomics, a revolution in studying biology. At 4:30, second lecture will be by Dr. Kiran Ranadeve on how to prepare for CSIR-UGC-NET-JRF LS. At 5 p.m., third lecture will be by Dr. Amit Balani on cell signaling for competitive exams. At 5:30, lecture 4 will be by Mr. Himanshu Jaiswal on metabolic pathways and their regulation. On 22nd July 2020 at 4 p.m. the introduction will be given by Dr. Deepak Koche, founder member Botany for You. Message from Dr. Pratiksha Omale. After this, at 4:15, fifth lecture will be by Dr. Tushar Wankhede on physiological metabolism in plants. At 4:45 p.m., sixth lecture will be by Dr. Avinash B. Ade on population ecology. At 5:15 p.m., seventh lecture will be by Dr. P. Jasmine Lena on organization of organelles in cells. At 5:45 p.m., eighth lecture will be by Mr. Shilanand Hivarle on chromosomal organization. On 23rd July 2020 at 4 p.m. the introduction will be given by Dr. Tushar Wankhede, founder member Botany for You. Message will be given by Mr. Bhupendra Dorkar. At 4:15 p.m. ninth lecture will be by Dr. Nitin Lambhane on molecular and genetic basis of reproductive biology in plants. At 4:45 p.m. 10th lecture will be by Dr. Rahul Patel on journey of DNA to protein. At 5:15 p.m. 11th lecture will be by Dr. Savita Mishra on environment and applied ecology. At 5:45 p.m. 12th lecture will be by Mr. Lalji Kanojia on population genetics. Then on 24th July 2020 at 4 p.m. introduction will be given by Dr. Nitin Lambhane, founder member Botany for You. At 4:15 p.m. 13th lecture will be by Dr. Deepak Koche on inheritance. At 4:45 p.m. 14th lecture will be by Mr. Vivek Narkhedkar on molecules and their interaction, the beginning of life. At 5:15 p.m. 15th lecture will be by Dr. Deepa Chauhan on polygenic inheritance. At 5:45 p.m., 16th lecture will be by Dr. Nikhat Naqvi on concepts of plant physiology. On 25th July 2020 at 4 p.m., introduction will be given by Dr. Nishikant Vase, founder member Botany for You. At 4:15 p.m., 17th lecture will be by Dr. Pitambar Humain on attitude and method of preparation to crack CSIR-UGC-NET-JRF LS in life sciences. At 4:45 p.m., 18th lecture will be by Ms. Kirumbha Paul Das on cell division and cell cycle. Then at 5:15 p.m., 19th lecture will be by Dr. Devi Chinmayi M on light harvesting complexes and photosynthetic apparatus. At 4:45 p.m., 20th lecture, that is the last lecture of this workshop, will be by Mr. Shivaji Magar on the cellular respiration and their inhibitors. At 6:15, the valedictory speech will be given by Dr. Pitambar Humain, the founder member of Botany for You. For any detail, you can WhatsApp or Telegram on 9970468635. I am providing the link of this PDF in the description box. Just simply click on the link given in this PDF for the registration. You can register yourself for free of cost. There is no fee for this workshop, and it will be very helpful for all the students who are preparing for the UGC CSIR NET-JRF lectureship exams. So thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.